How to hide or unhide education on your profile on REDNOTE. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will be guiding you through on how you can hide or unhide your education on your profile on REDNOTE application. So if you're wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow up, and you should also be able to hide or unhide your education. So once you're logged in, you can go ahead and tap on this Me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you will be taken to your page of your profile here. So in order to hide or unhide your education on your profile page, you can go ahead and tap on this profile right here. And when you head over here, you can find this education section at the last section on the second last option. Just go ahead and tap on it and you will be taken to this page. So here, if you already have added your university and everything, and if you want your education to be hidden or unhidden, these are the processes you may follow. So you can find the show me in tab section, under which you can find show education with the toggle option. So if you want to hide your education, you can go ahead and turn it off. But if you want to unhide your education on your profile, you can go ahead and turn on this option right here, and it will be unhidden on your profile, and tap on save. Then your profile, under your profile, you should be able to find your education status very easily. So these are the processes you may follow up as well in order to hide or unhide your education on your profile on REDNOTE app as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.